uba Prestone ten song ulakam ba Seng Npp de kumnu ru kan yobet yo magic number uba kidon kam ban thai ka sarkar ba thamai ulong ba Seng Npp kan job yakumba laipu ar ne laipu laitali ki seat hagani ka kinti.
I am very confident that people of the state will vote in favor of NPP because I've traveled a lot. We went to each and every constituencies. I've seen the response of the people. It's just like a mass movement, and I'm very sure I wish our candidates, NPP candidate, all the best because I'm very, very confident we will cross the required number, the magic number, 32, 33 seats. I'm very sure for that. But of course, well, if we have to work together as we did last 5 years, then it's different issue that we will see how to go about it. But I'm very sure this time we will cross the magic number, 32, 33 seats.
So there has been no official or unofficial understanding post-poll scenario?
No, nothing of that sort. We are alone. Even other parties, I think they are alone. They don't have any kind of pre-poll alliance or this, that, or understanding. So we don't have that. We don't have.